guys, so I'm back and I have just fixed the part and that's about it. The parting space is probably the best thing about this wig. It lays really flat and it didn't take that much effort to make it look natural. I just pulled a little bit of hair out at the front of the parting space and then I just put some contour powder in my parting space and that was it. And then I just sprayed a little bit of water on top and brushed it out. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the cons of this wig. Just like with Leah, the wig from HERA REMY that I reviewed before this, it sheds a lot and I find that to be very annoying, and it doesn't usually bother me. I don't know if it's because I have lip gloss on today and it's getting like stuck in it, but it does shed a lot and I didn't do that much manipulation besides just cutting the lace off. So the shedding is annoying to me. I don't have any tangling with this wig though, which is good, but the shedding is, you can't see that, I'm sure, but that's like several strands just running my hands through it. So I'm not a fan of that, and that's the biggest con. And that's probably the only con besides the texture, but that's a preference thing. The texture of this wig is silky. I don't like silky textured wigs because I have natural hair, so I feel like more natural yucky textures look more natural on me. So I don't really like silky textures anymore when I get wigs. It's not bad, but it's just not my preference. It does have some shine to it because it is more so on the silky side, but it's not like doll hair. I just wish it was more on the yucky side. My hair is not braided super flat underneath, so I might have some areas of like humpage on the side, but overall I think it's a cute wig and I think this color is very unique. This is just not my kind of texture for a wig. I like my wigs to be a yucky texture. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys to visit their website, and you can check out this wig or you can check out any of the other wigs that they have. I want to thank HERA REMY again for sending me this wig to showcase to you guys, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because I have a ton of videos coming for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.